So, like, what's the significance of this organ over here?
So the organ was actually thought of in 1954, and basically the inventor Leland W. Sprinkle Sr. was on tour with his son at the time. And back in the day, the thought of using rocks to create music was nothing new. And so what ended up happening is that tour guides like myself would carry rubber mallets and strike formations, creating simple songs like Mary Had a Little Lamb. Now this is of course what inspired Mr. Sprinkle to make this organ that you see, and it's built with a series of 37 solenoids, or like rubber stoppers, that lightly tap the formation slightly, creating a musical vibration. And then that same vibration is actually amplified by magnetic pickups or something to be comparable to microphones, and the audio can be heard in this area. Because the solenoids are actually spread across 3.5 acres of the caverns, making this the largest musical instrument in the world, according to the Guinness Book of World Records.
Sweet.
And so you are actually going to hear the organ play now. It's going to play a song called A Mighty Fortress is Our God. Feel free to record the music if you want, but please remain as quiet as possible so that everyone can hear it.
Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.